Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. For today's video, you're going to notice it looks a wee bit different. And that is because today I am filming for you on my computer webcam. And I'm doing this because I want to get this video made. I want to get it uploaded for you, and this is so much easier than setting up the camera and pairing it to the phone and all of the other stuff, because honestly, I'm in the middle of spring cleaning and the garden is, rolling pretty heavy right now and requires some attention, and it's just a lot. So rather than have these boxes sit here for goodness knows how long or not filming at all, I decided to just let's make things a little bit easier, and I'll film for you here. I'm actually sitting at my desk, so you can see over here. That's usually what you see behind me. And I'm just over to camera right of the fireplace. Anyway, that's what's going on. So no special lighting. I'm not made up, nothing. Okay. You're getting the unfiltered look, but I thought that you wouldn't care too much because I do have a couple of fun things to show, and two boxes, which interestingly, they're exactly the same size, and I only ordered one thing. So this particular unboxing today that I expected to do was for some Notion items that I picked up on sale. So let me just say this. I am a Missouri Star partner, and they do send me items, but today's unboxing is for things I purchased myself. So first of all, I'm a customer as well as a representative for Missouri Star. I love them. I would not rep for them if I didn't truly believe in them and love them with all of my heart. I do. But also, because I'm in that partner program, when I give you links to either products directly or the general link that will be in the description, you can use that link, and if your purchase is $50 or more, you get 20% off the purchase, which I think is incredible. Some items are not included. I have no control over that. I don't know which ones they are. I know the Jenny box for sure is not. But other than that, I'm not really sure. I don't know. Sometimes you can use it on things, sometimes you can't. Like, for example, one time they had like a buy one, get half off charm pack deal. It wouldn't work on that. But there's something in the box that I picked up that it worked on that I still can't believe it worked on. So wait until you see this. So they do, like, Missouri Star does these like daily deals, and they do flash sales. They do all kinds of stuff. It's very interesting once you really start going over to their website and seeing what they do. It's pretty amazing how much stuff they put on sale. All right, let's get into this box and I'll show you what I got. Normally, I have you set up overhead and you can see every move. Can't really do that at the desk. Oh. Okay, this is not what I thought. This must be an item from them that they're sending me as a partner representative. I don't really know. Okay. Whoa. Wait until you see this. Okay, first things first, flat chuck. And this is the spring and flower season. Looking for, sorry, this is the old lady thing. We have oodles of floral fabrics that pair well with our huge selection of solids. So they're talking about their Kona cottons and all of that. And they do give you a QR code. I have no idea if that will work for you scanning from here, but this is really cute. So Flat Chunk is taking a little picnic lunch, and he has a baguette and a bottle of water. This looks very much like the lunch that I would carry. Okay, so this is what they sent me. Okay, I'm breaking in to tell you that I can't show you what was in that box. So I did get in touch with my representative at Missouri Star. She told me what it is, and it's a special thing. And I must have missed the email where they told us they were sending it, because I don't recall this at all. Anyway, I'm not allowed to show it to you yet, so I had to remove that part of the video, and they'll let me know when I'm allowed to share it and tell you what it's about. But it's really cute, so you'll just have to take my word for it. And we will come back to the video and pick up with me opening the notions that I purchased. This is the box that I ordered. Oh yeah, I hear it. You're not going to believe this. So, okay, so this box is kind of a notions haul, and I got my same little flat chuck. Oh, they sent me two of them. So he must be the flat chuck for May. And I went ahead and got some more flower head pins. You know, after a while you're using your pins, you just sort of run a little short. So I decided to go ahead and get some. I think they were on special. This is something I've been looking at for a while, and I wanted to give it a try. Oh, I got two of these. Huh. Maybe because they stick together with, so I got a bonus. So let me tell you. Okay, first of all, let's talk about this first. So this is a magnetic seam guide, and this is from Dritz. And basically, it's a super strong magnet, and you lay it on your the bed of your like the throat plate on your sewing machine, and it gives you like a wider, longer seam guide. So I thought I would try it, and we'll just see how that helps with the elusive perfect 1/4 inch seam. So anyway, but now I have two. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use one of them in the giveaway box that I've been putting together. I've been collecting some things for a subscriber giveaway, and I was going to do that at 50,000, and we have hit 50,000, so I need to figure out how to put that together. So that'll probably be like its own video, and I'll show you what's in the box, and then we'll just run that as a giveaway drawing. So anyway, we'll get to that soon, I promise. I went ahead and got one of these air erasable fabric pens. I normally use that other one that I call the disappearing ink pen. This is kind of the same thing. So we'll try that one out. And then this was unbelievable. So I love those Wonder Clips. I use them for a lot of things, even beyond just regular sewing. And I know this I did buy two. This is a $30 item. You get 50 clips. Okay, so you get 50 clips in this box, and it's regular $30. It was on sale for $5, and I used the 20% off. It was $1. No, $4. I got $1 off. $4. on a fifth, this is what did I say, a $30 item? I think it's $30. I'll look on the website to confirm. But, you know, I wasn't going to buy anything, but when they had these at $5, I was like, all right. And then I got two. So one of those will also go in the giveaway prize. I think it's incredible. And the 20% off worked. I mean, you just never know. You don't know until you go all the way through the checkout process what it's going to work on or what it's not going to work on. And it worked on that, which is crazy to me. And then I got a piece of fabric. I've been looking at this for a while, so I decided to go ahead and get it. Oh, it's big. Okay, so here it is. I can't tell where I am with this thing. It's a great big flag. So it's much larger than I thought. You know, Jenny always talks about how she's angrily challenged. I can really relate to that. I'm not only angrily challenged, I'm also like measurement size challenged. This is a nice panel. So I bought that for, you know, like a 4th of July project. And that will be, you know, forthcoming like towards the end of June or middle of June probably. Anyway, that's what I bought. And I wanted to be able to open it on camera for you, and this was just like the best way that I could figure out how to do it. And yeah, that's our video. Great items. I got everything with that 20% off discount that I can use myself, which I think is fantastic. And I wanted to share it with you and just kind of show you, you know, generally I shop and share fabrics for you, but I thought you might like to see a little small notions haul. I'm so interested in this and how that will work and if it will help, because the, you know, the 1/4 inch seam accuracy, that's a struggle. And these are so pretty. I'm really happy to have some new pins. So that is today's video, such as it is. And I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing some new and different items. And I hope you don't mind the like really the more simple, less sophisticated setup. I feel like it's better than not having any video for you at all. It's been a lot of spring cleaning this week. I got all the gardens planted up. That was a lot. And of course, I'm still helping. Well, I'm not helping. I am taking care of my mom. That's been a big adjustment. But I will tell you, she's doing a lot better. I mean, a lot better. So we're grateful for that. I don't like to get too much into the specifics on that because, you know, it's her private life and also medical information online. You know, I'm going to be careful about that. So, but she is better, and I'm really happy about that. And I think that's all I have for you today. That's the video. I really appreciate you being here, watching, and I hope you don't mind that it's not as fancy as normal. Sometimes we just have to do what we have to do, and today I couldn't do fancy, so I hope that's okay. All right, until next time we meet, make it a great day, stay positive, and just keep on quilting.